Hello to everybody again, and today I want to make a Russian Kulich. It's like Easter bread, and what I need for the Easter bread, I have here about like full 2 tablespoons of yeast. I have 2 cups warm milk. I have the flour, the bread flour, and it's like 5 pounds, so we'll see how it goes. I think I will need about 1.5 pounds of flour. I have 7 eggs here, 5 going to the dough and 2 we're going to put in a glaze. And I have 12 tablespoons of butter. And I have 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, extract vanilla, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon, and I want to make for the flavor, I have zest of 1 small orange, and I have half cup of the cranberry, dry cranberry, and I have half cup of raisins. And for the glaze we need 2 white of the eggs and half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and for the top we're gonna make all decoration with the rainbow sprinkles. I'm gonna add my warm milk, put in a mixing bowl. I'm gonna add now my yeast. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of sugar. 2. Let's put 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm gonna add a spoon of flour in our mix too. What kind of consistency we got? Like that consistency we got. I was cleaning the paper towel. Let's sit in warm place about maybe half hour. Now I can show you how it's raised my dough after half hour. So now we're gonna try mix all other ingredients to our dough. And what I'm gonna do first, to beat my eggs with the mixer, and slowly gonna add sugar. And I already separated 2 whites for the our glaze and put aside. And now we have 5 eggs and 2 yolks. I'm gonna beat this with the mixer, and I'm gonna slowly add my sugar. Now you can see what I got after when I have beaten all eggs, and they get more a whiter color and more volume. So now at this point we start getting add the butter, melted butter. Add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. add our eggs, beaten eggs with sugar. I'm gonna mix together with our milk with yeast. We can add our salt, half teaspoon salt, and it's probably about 1 tablespoon of zest of orange. You can add more if you like, and it make nice orange flavor. And now I'm gonna start add my flour. I already sifted, and we're gonna add slow and see, because we have to have dough very soft, more liquid soft. Okay, now you can see that dough is more soft, and at this point we can add our raisins and cranberries. And now we're gonna mix by hand and see if I need to add just a little bit the flour. You can see how it's get sticky and more liquid dough. So we're gonna add just a little bit more flour. Now I'm gonna just take between 1-2 tablespoons of oil. You can see that it's still more sticky and very soft dough we got. Okay, now we have our dough is raised, get all full of my mixing bowl. Now we're gonna put this dough in the mold, and I have this mold. I just make a little bit with oil, and it's enough. I have 4 like this mold, and I have 1 big, and I make all inside with oil too. 1 big mold and 1 a little bit smaller. Mix well it again. I'm gonna take about 1 tablespoon of oil to make easy. So I put in the molds, and I put on this in the big my mold, a little bit smaller. So I have 4 small size and 1 big and 1 kind of like medium. Now I'm gonna cover again with towel, and we're gonna wait a little bit when it's raised again, and then we're gonna bake. And we're gonna wait just a little bit till it get raised again. While our dough is still raising, so we're gonna make our glaze, which our 2 whites remains. We're gonna put in a bowl, and we're gonna start mixing. When you see it start getting all white and foam, then we're gonna add our the lemon juice, which was 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add real vanilla. Gonna make 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, and we're gonna mix and slow will combine with sugar. Try heat up these whites to make the kill all microbes if they have like type of like salmonella and something like that. And who doesn't want to do that, you can skip, but it's more for the safety. So that's why I'm gonna do on top of my pot with boiling water above that steam, that the bowl shouldn't touch the water, hot water. I took my pot and I have just a little bit of water here, and it's already start steaming. Soon it's gonna be boiling, and I have my whites in a bowl, and I try to put in my pot that it's sitting, but it doesn't touch in any water, so it's all dry. And now we're gonna just warm up our eggs, but we don't want to see the scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna mix a little bit. Okay, now you can see, guys, how it's get all raised full, and now we're ready to put in the oven. I a little bit preheated oven. I set up my oven on 350, and I'm gonna bake till I see it's getting all golden color. And of course I will check with toothpick and see. My Russian Eastern bread is ready, and I check with toothpicks. It comes up all clean, same as here. It's all dry and clean. They're all done, so I'm gonna turn over on this cooling rack, and we'll wait till it's cooled down, and then I'm gonna make glaze on top. Guys, now you can see my Russian Eastern bread is ready. I make decoration on top and with glaze. I hope you will try to make like that Easter bread, and I hope you will like it. And thank you guys for watching my channel, and see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye bye.